and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 deep,
Hey fam, welcome to Cooking with Net TV. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this easy homemade strawberry ice cream. So easy, only a few ingredients, anybody can do it. So if you guys would like to see this video, please leave me a like, also leave me a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here is everything you're going to need, so go ahead and take a screenshot and let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty the entire carton of heavy whipping cream. I will have all the measurements down below, so I'm not leaving y'all hanging. Now we're going to just get it nice and whipped to where it's nice and airy. Next, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You want to make sure you add all your liquids together before you really blend. Now I'm going to be using about a half a can of condensed sweetened milk. So after that, we're going to go ahead and combine all the ingredients together that we just added until everything begins to get nice and fluffy. So as you can see around the edges, you're starting to see the bubbles form. That's how you know that you're going to have some good ice cream. So don't be alarmed once you see those bubbles. So now I'm going to gradually be adding my powdered sugar, and I'm going to be using about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Now we're just going to mix everything together until we get a nice thick cream. So you know when you're close to being done when the heavy whipping cream start looking like a cream and it start getting thick. So just keep going. I know it might take about 20 minutes depending on your mixer. So off camera, I went ahead and made some strawberry puree, which I already have a recipe for that, which I will link in my description down below, so you guys can check that video out to see how I make these strawberry purees. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and add these to my ice cream, and you just want to try to get as much juice as you can off of it. So now we're just going to swirl everything in Not mixing it completely because we don't want to change it to a pink color, but we wanted to have those chunks of strawberries within the ice cream. So you just want to make sure you just do little swirls until everything is well incorporated. So now we're going to place our ice cream into the freezer for about 4 to 8 hours, and it's best to do it overnight, but some people like soft serve, some people like the original ice cream, so I like the original ice cream. But for demo purposes, I'm showing you guys how it look after 4 hours, which it gets pretty thick, but I like mine's really hard. So as y'all can see, here go me scooping it. And just like that, we made us some homemade ice cream. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching and sharing and commenting. So until the next video, you guys, stay safe out there. Peace.